And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a new iteration of 30 minutes. So this is 30 minutes fantasy. So it started out with 30 minutes mission, with the robots, then 30 minutes sisters with the females, the girls turning into mecha warriors, and now we have this one, the 30 minutes fantasy. And what we have here is the very first Liber Knight, the very first 30 minutes fantasy, but this is already packaged with the level up armor class, which is the Holy Knight. So that's what I have here, the Liber Holy Knight, and that's what we see here in the box art. Off to the side, we can see here that they still kept the old packaging for, or rather the original information about the Liber Knight, wherein there's a humanoid, you can put armor on him to become the Liber Knight, and with the class up or the job change, in this case this is the Holy Knight, you can make him into the Liber Holy Knight. And off to the other side, so this is the contents where the Liber Knight is contained with the Liber Holy Knight class up armor and the standard 30-minute mission stuff. So let's take a look inside the box. So first up, we have one bag with two Sprws, clear colored one and white, standard classic 30-minute mission stuff. Another bag with white and some off-white here. Another one with the off-white, more off-white, and then a multicolored one with the class up armor. Same. And lastly, I think this is the main knight, I guess. Yep. And of course the instruction manual, where it already talks about the Holy Liber Knight, and it's a class 3. And there's a interesting story here, and some information about the course. So yep. And standard stuff about 30 minutes mission. They tell you how to build it, and then do the job change and stuff, and that information is here. So you have the silhouette, and then you can armor him up and upgrade him to a Liber Knight, and in this case to a Holy Liber Knight. And there's another one, which is the Liber Paladin. Anyways, let's take a look individually at the Sprws. And first up, we have the A Sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have some white, some clear blue, some violet. So more, you can't tell much what this is for, but this is the A Sprue. We also have a B Sprue here, which starts with the off-white. Now you can see parts for the silhouette already. And we also have a C, and like I said earlier, the classic 30-minute mission stuff, where this time they are indicating from which staff these parts are for. So that's that. See, we have a D1, which is more parts of the silhouette showing up right now. Also have a D2 here, which is duplicates from the D1. We have an E1 here, wherein it gets grayish more. Same, with numbers indicating for which part they are. And then an E2. Pardon, because it gets stuck. Anyway, we have an E2 here, and off the back here, there we go. So that's the E2. We also have an F1, which is a clear part here. And also has an F2. I think this is now where some parts of the armor up for the silhouette is coming from. G1, here's the shield, the sword, some parts of that armor. We also have a G2 here. More parts of that armor for the silhouette. And then a G3. Again, more parts of that armor. And lastly, a G4. So that was all the sprues for the initial Liber Knight. Now, like I said, they bundled it with the Holy Knight class up armor. So in the class up armor, sorry, we can see here OJ1. So meaning this is a class up armor. So this is that sprue is a OJ1 A1, wherein these are parts for the armor for the Liber Holy Knight, and it also has a A2. Right. And again, yeah, the instruction manual already talks about it. The armor cross up. There's another armor part here, you know, the cross up, which is the paladin. But yeah, aside from building it, the silhouette, you make it into a Liber Knight, and then they tell you how to make it into the Liber Holy Knight. And there you have it, fancy folks. That is what's inside the box of the Liber Holy Knight of the 30 minutes mission. And this is before saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.